Yo, what is up everybody? It's Ahmed Amar and we are back with another video. Listen, the holidays are over, you've eaten all the cookies, you've opened all the presents, you've binged all the Netflix, but that doesn't mean winter is over. In fact, we're just getting started. If you're anything like me, that post-holiday slump hits hard. You're probably looking at the calendar like, is it spring yet? Trust me, I get it. But before you swap your snow boots for flip-flops, what if I told you there's a whole other side to winter? What if instead of dreading the cold, we embraced it? That's what this video is all about. We're ditching the winter blues and trading them in for epic snowy adventures, cozy getaways, and unforgettable memories in some of the most stunning places in the US. So grab your warmest beanie, your thickest scarf, and get ready to explore some winter wonderlands. Let's do this. First up, we're hitting the streets of New York City. Now I know what you're thinking. NYC in winter, it's freezing and crowded. Yeah, you're not wrong. But trust me on this one. There's something magical about New York City in the winter, especially during the holidays. The city transforms into a real-life snow globe. Picture this. You're strolling through Central Park, snow crunching under your boots, the crisp winter air hitting your face. You look up and see the trees draped in twinkling lights, horse-drawn carriages gliding across the snow, and the iconic Woolman rink bustling with skaters. Speaking of, you gotta lace up and take a spin around the rink. It's like stepping right into a movie scene. And hey, after you've worked up an appetite, duck into one of the city's countless cozy cafes or restaurants. Warm up with a steaming cup of hot chocolate or indulge in some seriously delicious comfort food. Don't forget to check out all the holiday markets too. They're the perfect place to find unique gifts, festive treats, and soak up that holiday cheer. Next stop, we're heading west to the Sierra Nevada mountains where adventure awaits at Lake Tahoe. Now, if you're an adrenaline junkie like me, this place is your winter paradise. We're talking world-class skiing, snowboarding, snowshoeing, you name it, Lake Tahoe's got it. Imagine this. You're carving down a pristine slope, fresh powder spraying up behind you, the sun glinting off the snow-capped peaks in the distance. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a first-timer, Lake Tahoe has slopes for every skill level. And hey, even if skiing isn't your thing, there are tons of other ways to experience the great outdoors. Go ice skating on the lake, explore the snow-covered forests on a snowmobile, or try your hand at ice fishing. And after a long day of adventure, cozy up in a cabin with a roaring fire, a warm drink, and some good company. Trust me, there's no better way to unwind after a day on the slopes. Alright, let's switch gears for a second and talk about Aspen, Colorado. Now, Aspen is known for its luxurious vibes and world-renowned skiing. But honestly, it's so much more than just a ski town. It's a place where you can truly unwind, recharge, and treat yourself. Imagine this. You're hitting the slopes in the morning, enjoying some of the best skiing and snowboarding in the world. Then you're treating yourself to a gourmet lunch at a slopeside restaurant, soaking up those incredible mountain views. And after a day on the slopes, you're relaxing in a luxurious spa, getting a massage, or just soaking in a hot tub under the stars. But hey, Aspen isn't just about luxury. It's also got a really cool, artsy vibe. Stroll through the town's galleries, boutiques, and art installations. You might even catch a live music performance or a film festival while you're there. Now, if you're looking for a more laid-back winter getaway, let's head to the Pacific Northwest to Portland, Oregon. Portland in the winter is all about embracing the cozy vibes. Think rainy days spent exploring the city's quirky shops and art galleries, warming up with a craft beer in a cozy pub, and indulging in some of the best coffee and food you'll ever have. And hey, just because it's winter doesn't mean you can't enjoy the outdoors. Bundle up and explore the city's beautiful parks, go for a hike in the nearby Columbia River Gorge, or visit the stunning Multnomah Falls, which often freezes over in the winter, creating a truly magical sight. Finally, let's wrap things up in Seattle, Washington, another Pacific Northwest gem that really shines in the winter. Like Portland, Seattle has a cool, laid-back vibe, amazing coffee, and a thriving food scene. But Seattle also has its own unique charm. Think exploring the iconic Pike Place Market, riding the Great Wheel for stunning views of the city and Puget Sound, and visiting the Museum of Pop Culture, or MoPop, for a dose of music and art. And hey, if you're a coffee lover, you're in for a real treat. Seattle is known for its coffee culture, so be sure to warm up with a latte from one of the city's many independent coffee shops. So, there you have it, folks. 5 incredible winter destinations in the US, each with its own unique charm. Whether you're looking for adventure, relaxation, or a little bit of both, the US has something for everyone this winter. Don't let the cold weather keep you cooped up inside. Get out there, explore, and create some unforgettable memories. And hey, if you're planning a winter getaway, be sure to check out the link in the video description. I've put together a list of essential travel products to help you plan a happy trip for you and your family. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more travel tips and inspiration, and share this video with your friends who need a little winter getaway inspiration. Until next time, peace out.